Hello everyone, I'm Aditya Gautam from Precollege. So by now you all must have got your JEE Mains percentile with you. So let us see what rank you can expect on your percentile based on the previous year data. So let's move towards the screen and calculate that. So here on the Precollege Predictor, you can see that we have got an option to predict rank. When we tap on this option, we are asked to enter percentile. So for accurate conversion, you can enter the percentile up to 8 decimal places. For example, let's enter 98.98768 percentile. And when we tap on the predict rank option, done. You can see that we have got our predicted rank as 17,901, which is based on the previous year data. So here below, you can see that we have got an option to predict colleges. So let us see what colleges we can expect at this rank. So when we tap on the predict colleges option, here you can see that our rank has been already filled here and we are asked to enter our category. So for example, let's select OBC, gender male, and on the choose counseling option, you can see that we can see here a lot of options such as JoSAA, CSAB, WBJEE, UPTU, IPU, JAC Chandigarh and JAC-B. As through Pre-College Predictor, you can see and compare all the college options under these counseling on a single platform, which makes your college selection process easy and smooth. So for now, let's select the whole option. And for the state, let's select Bihar. And when we tap on the find colleges option, the, as you can see, all the list of colleges which you can get on this rank has been mentioned here through JoSAA counseling. Similarly, you can opt for CSAB, WBJ, UPTU, IPU, JAC Chandigarh, JAC Delhi by just tapping on these options. Such as, let's see about UPTU. So here you can see the list of colleges which you are getting in this UPTU counseling. Similarly, we can see for WBJE and CSAV. And also, you can see here some filters has been provided to make your college filtering process simpler. For example, here you can search for a particular institute, your college type such as NIT, IIT. For example, let's choose triple IT, subcategory PEN, OBC, NCL, and we are opting for computer science and engineering branch. So here a filtered option has been provided of all those colleges which we can get on our rank. Similarly, if you want to check the college options based on our only percentile. So here you can enter your percentile directly. For example, 98 percentile. We will select category, gender, counseling, state, and then we will tap on find college option and see you will get to see the rank predicted rank here, and all the college options will be mentioned here on this website. So what are you waiting for? I have a college predictor now.